How to buy a digital Oil Memecoin token. So this token came under the symbol of oil. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going on about this token, make sure to check the Dex account and keep following the updates about this token. Now, as you can see, this token is available on Dex Screener. It's created 4 months ago, and as you can see, it's increased by 300 in the last 24 hours. Now, to be able to buy this token, just click here to copy the token address and open your funds wallet for that. As you can see, after that, click here on swap. Now here you can now just click here and paste token address in the search bar. Now as you can see, this also can click on it, and now as you can see here, you can type how much you want to buy of Solana. Now here you will be able to see how much you receive that token. After that, you can select the provider by click on pricing. Now click on provider, and now you can select the OKX or T-follow. So after you select it, now click on apply. Now after that, go back and now click here on swap, and you will be able to redirect you to OKX provider to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy all token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.